This is gnarly. Oh my gosh. This is crazy.
On this episode, we're taking you down a Caribbean river. Let's do it. Welcome to Lazy Gecko Sailing. I'm Brittany, and this is Jeremiah.
I came from the mud.
For 5 years, we've been sailing the world and filming it all for you.
Strong like a tree.
Now come along with us as we head for the Caribbean.
Oh, I've been running.
Make sure to click subscribe so you don't miss any of the fun.
Hope they won't shoot me down soon.
We recently placed Calypso on the hard. We have a few tasks to complete, such as replacing a dripless shaft seal, servicing our max props, replacing rudder bearings, and more. How does everything look?
Different out of the water, huh?
Oh yeah. See anything wrong?
No, I think that we're gonna need a little bit of bottom paint, and the props everything seems good. The rudder seems less loose on the ground than it did when it was in the water, but it's loose.
How does our bow thruster look? We ripped it off with the mooring ball.
This is what had happened. This is just designed so that the mooring line, if you go over here, won't get scooped up in here, and it got bent down, and believe it or not, they would just easily get up in there all the time. And once it gets in here, it's so tight, it gets jammed hard. You can see where it's all pulled the paint out from doing it. And I get down there and I just try to rip it. So we stopped using mooring balls, but we got a new one of these things. It looks like it's a little beefier than this one maybe, but we're gonna do that. And really, I think that this should be like epoxy to the hull or something, so it won't come out.
What does our other one look like?
We don't have one on that one.
We've been waiting on this haul out for a while now. We're excited to get it all done.
Oh, that's awesome. All the teenagers together.
It's Halloween. Grenada doesn't really do trick-or-treating, so we did it cruiser style.
Trick or treat!
Hold your bag.
Well, we got raisins for those on the nurse. So that's how you thought. I was like, nobody, I've never heard anyone ask that.
Happy Halloween!
The cruisers have a couple of ways to communicate here. A daily VHF gathering and other ways online. This Prickly Bay trick-or-treating event was planned through these forums. It was awesome. Have you ever trick-or-treated by visiting boats? This was another great memory for the kids. What do you think of that?
Spooky? Yeah. Oh, the kids get drinks.
Oh, that's so nice.
They're giving them water.
Trick or treat!
Trick or treat! Happy Halloween! You guys look awesome! Trick or treat! Trick or treat! Trick or treat!
Oh, he's getting in, he's getting in.
Oh, they're wrong! No, they're on the wrong.
Come on. You got the one hole, I'm on the other. Come on.
Another thing we've been wanting to do is tube down a river here. I've read about it. The rains have been up, so we went for it. Meet Cheryl and Lyle. We've known them for a few years now. We're out here on the water, enjoying it. We just had lunch. Oh yeah, with my Cheryl. Are you having fun? Yes. They originally became patrons of ours, and we hit it off. We've been great friends ever since. They also bought a boat and sailed it to Grenada. It's so cool to be here together. You ready for some river tubing?
Yeah.
Yeah? Trev, are you ready for some? Brought some friends along. Jeremiah's packing his shoes. He needs to walk back, and he can't walk back barefoot. I mean, you could, but you probably have something so bad. I need a helmet.
Okay. Hopefully I don't fall in.
He's coming with us. He's coming with us.
Welcome to Baltazar, River Tubing, the home of adventure, River Tubing.
I'm ready to get you out.
There you go.
The water looked a little calm. This might be relaxing, so I thought.
Have fun.
River tubing in Grenada.
Should be fun. We're all in separate tubes. I'm in charge of keeping everything dry. This is great. This is fun. I've never done natural river tubing ever. Oh, jeez! Hello! Reese, what do you think? You like it?
Yeah. Everybody went down and then we went up and then everybody just
Oh, dang. Hold on to Reese, honey. This was way faster than I had expected, but oh so amazing. What a thrill it was to be cruising down a river in the tropics. Holy crap! That was fun! There you go! Woo! Oh man!
Oh, Mount Shim, Mount Shim.
Oh my gosh! I was in charge of keeping the bag dry. This is crazy. Ooh, a little bit scary. I'm shaking. Where I belong? Oh, here we go. Thank you. The gentleman kind of pushes you along and helps you out, so it's nice. Woo! Oh, geez. Trying to hold the bag up. Okay, I'm going the right way. Holy crap. Jeez, this is gnarly. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. Oh. Oh. I'm freaking the out. Okay. Oh. Gosh darn it.
This is insane.
Do you like it?
Yeah, I thought there's a bomb underneath the thing. I went over. I thought I was going over.
Yeah. I'm shaking.
Yeah, I'm scared. I keep thinking I'm gonna flip over.
Me too.
I just give it up. I'm sitting in the water now.
What do you think? Woo! You like it? How you doing?
Good, how you doing?
I'm drenched.
Did you fall in?
No, but I'm going under. Hi, Reese. You like it?
Yeah.
I got quite the service here. Trevor's pushing me along. Thank you.
Don't drop. Ow! I stepped on a rock.
Where's your wife?
I don't know.
We're down one wife.
You're happy and you know it's we are.
We are.
You're happy and you know it's we are.
We are.
If you're happy and you know it and you really wanna show it. If you're happy and you know it's we are. We are. If you're happy and you know it's flash
He's right there.
You're going, aren't you?
We actually.
Alright guys, you go from here.
Jeez, I'm scared of what's gonna jump out and grab me. I'm like, hey! Okay. Oh, shit! That way. Got it. I gotta get the rope. That's crazy. I think we're coming to an end. Whew, that was fun. That was awesome.
It was. The gentlemen that put this on were so wonderful. It was a little wild at times, but hey, no risk, no reward. Everyone had a great time. We'd love to do it again. I don't think anyone will forget this.
What'd you think?
It was awesome.
Yeah.
What do you guys think?
I loved it.
High five.
I'll just give you a kiss.
Okay.
Oh, you almost flipped over?
And on my back almost flipped over, but it just went down instead.
Oh, okay.
Jay, did you tell Mom that I punched you in the face?
Yeah. He punched me right in the nose to have failed.
He didn't mean to, though.
We were going with the rope. He was like, oh.
Oh, okay. You got my bag wet.
I know. Leave it on. Leave it on like that.
I heard.
You got me wet, Cheryl.
You got your potty mouth on.
The friends we've met while cruising are so wonderful. It's one of my favorite things about living this lifestyle. Cruising place to place, all of a sudden you're hanging out with the best people, having the times of your lives together. We truly do feel this is exactly that, the best time of our lives.
John, happy anniversary.
Wouldn't be an anniversary without your spare tire on.
His motor is running. What is going on here? Oh shit! Did you know that?
I've got to go. I'm just gonna go for a swim.
My chaser.
Except for 5 bitches.
The website advertises some limitations. We weren't sure if Reese could go or not, so we waited till we got here, asked them, and he was able to go and even lap it with Daddy. They had a great time.
He got his bottom fin broken, Mom.
You did?
Yeah, his bottom fin, but you sit out and stand on.
Ah. I think it was $120 EC a person. So
Yeah.
that's about $45 maybe, American.
Yeah.
Well worth it.
Beautiful, right?
Yeah, I've been wanting to do that since we got here.
Today, our bad news was confirmed. We were trying to be hopeful about it, but it's Friday, of course, so we won't have the definitive answer until Monday, but it doesn't look so good for Calypso's rudder. Coming up on the Lazy Geckos.
This is about $5 a foot.
Oh my gosh. Blonde bombshell beauty.
So this is the rudder stock, kind of bent that way, and there's cracks. I make sure the fresh water pump is on.
The redoing of the line. This is our new rudder. Notice that they were off center, so we're manually having to adjust them. Try to match up that line.
Listen to this little ball sound. Pump it a couple times. Feeling good, man.
Now I hear some type of motor.
Dremels are awesome. Put safety wire through here. Put this little three-way valve in here.
This one here is the voltage sensor.
Cross is still on the internal regulator.
I appear to be the only one wearing a mask. Drones flying above us.
The maximum for our whole passage should be 21.3 knots.
This is day one of our trip from Grenada back to the United States. All right. Don't hit the Statue of Liberty, that'd be bad.
Here's up the East River. We are on the East River.
We are coming into Hell Gate. What are you doing?
You see him glowing?
Yeah.
The thing is, there's no power to this at all right now. None.
Stop saying that's weird. Tell me something. I feel weird.
Isn't that weird?
That's never happened before.
So they say that when you anchor off of Hart Island, lights will flicker on your boat. They specifically say lights will flicker on your boat. And I was just coming out to turn the lights on, Lucy lights on, whatever, and I come by and I see it. I check my build pumps, make sure they're on. And they're flickering.
Want more? Check us out at lazygeckos.net. Remember, patrons can get complimentary access. You can also visit our Vimeo channel. The link is below. Don't forget to click subscribe to get all of the fun. See you next week.